guys! So it's our 4th day here in El Nido and I'm currently using my G7X right now because the SD card that I bought for my action camera, it's full right now. Like I don't have any extra and I'm like really struggling. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but later we're going to have like inland tour. So mag-tour kami around El Nido and we're going to do Canopy walk. We're going to do the waterfalls. Yesterday we met Kuya Gilbert. He was the one who dropped us off for the island hopping, so he's gonna be our tour guide for later. I will gonna ask him to drop us off real quick sa El Nido town so I can buy SD card for my DJI because I really want to use that when we're doing our activities. And CJ is over there. He's over there. He's sitting somewhere over there. He's looking for seashells for me. Kakatapos lang namin mag-breakfast dito lang sa resort na tinutuloyan namin. And yeah, this is our last full day dito sa El Nido. It really felt so quick, but looking back, we already did a lot of things. Yeah, it's amazing, and I'm also excited to see my friends and family. And yeah, it's gonna be my first time seeing them since we flew to El Nido right away after arriving to Manila. I'm excited to see them. So right now, we're just chilling by the beach. This view is really amazing. I finished my food. Is it working? Yes.
Ito po yung barangay Maligaya. This one is barangay Maligaya.
Maligaya. Okay, so we're going to do the hanging bridge and canopy walk. And Kuya Gilbert is our tour guide.
Ay! Ewa, yeah!
One name? Sir?
Thank you. I have this. Para saan po ito, Kuya?
Keep nyo na lang yan, wala.
Ah, okay. Wow! Very good, very good. Okay, so a little story. I actually didn't know that it's going to be a Via Ferrata. And guys, I was wearing slippers. I was wearing chinelas, chanclas. I did not really expect that it's going to be like that. I did not look that up because it actually wasn't our plan to go there, but I was like, we'll just go. We wanted to experience a lot of things here in El Nido. So yeah, your girl wasn't prepared, but it actually went pretty well. And I saw the tour guides, they're also wearing chinelas while hiking on top or climbing on top. And I was like, I think this is the Filipino way, authentic Filipino way of hiking, so I'm going to embrace this. So yeah, I did it. Look at that. Wow.
Nag-hiking na yan?
Opo, sa dun sa amin sa US. Mahilig akong mag-hiking. Ay. Oh my god. I didn't expect expect it to be like this.
So I forgot to mention that they have two activities over here. They have Canopy Walk and they have the Dream Catcher. So you can either choose one or you can also do a combination. So one activity is 430 pesos and if it's a combination it's going to be 730 pesos. So we only chose to do the Canopy Walk because we went there a little bit late and we still have to go to the waterfall, so we just ended up doing one activity and we didn't know that it's actually just going to be short, so we could have done the combination.
Wow.
It's nice, right?
Yes.
Very beautiful.
If ever you guys are going there, just do the combination and I think it's going to be more worth it when you get there.
It's hot. And we're climbing up. Look at the view. So nice. Wow. Oh wow, baby, look at that. Whew. If this is the way going back, I'm not going to hold the camera. Wow. Look at Baba. So nice. Yeah. Be careful with the steps. Very nice. Careful with this, Baba, okay?
Yung naka-orange.
Wow.
Tapos dalawa-dalawa na po.
How's it, Baba?
Very cool.
That's the photographer over there. Thank you, Kuya. Okay, bye. Bye to the view. Okay guys, we really did went back from where we came from and I did not hold the camera.
For safety.
Yes, for safety purposes. And now we're going back to Kuya Gilbert and he is going to bring us to the waterfall. Excited, Bebe? Yay!
Kaya na Sunset 3. Doon ko na kayo iwan sa Las Cabañas. You are my prince. Thank you, Queen.
Thank you, Kuya.
Cool na cool eh.
Opo.
Kuya,
Bait yan,
sa
sobra. 300 each. 300 each.
May kasama kayo.
Ay, thank you. We have a stick. Yes, please. Kayo po tour guide namin, Kuya.
Opo, ma'am.
Ano pong name niyo, Kuya?
Edgar po.
Edgar. Kuya Edgar.
Kayo po, may konti na lang tao. Kanina marami.
Kanina pa madami?
Ang dami.
Oo.
Kayo po,
Mga turista din po, oh. Mga turista din po na ano.
Pilit tayo, 15 na.
The Baba's going with us. Hey, baby, careful. Is the slippers okay? He's trying to experience the Filipino way of hiking. True Filipino way of hiking. The water is so nice. We do not bring towels, brother. And another river. The water is so nice. This is the first time I used this stick to hike. The Baba. This is a bit of a hike. Oh, I think we're here. Yeah? Thank you, Kuya.
Kung gusto niyo, ma'am, gusto, wag ka tayo doon.
Whatever. Going to the other falls at the top. Look at that! Gilbert. Kuya Gilbert, thank you, Kuya.
Thank you,
Nice to
Mama.
meet you. Say bye ka na sa vlog.
Okay.
Bye, Kuya.
Bye-bye.
Thank you po.
Come on, all this to you, baby. I watch them grow.
How's the food, Bebe?
Very good. I liked it. I enjoyed it. Bit too peppery for me, but it was good. On the steak, yeah. It was a lot of pepper.
Yeah, I like mine as well, but I like CJ's order better. And we're going to El Nido town tonight because we didn't get to do it this past few days when we were staying here. So we're going to do it tonight since it is our last night in El Nido before we head back to Manila and meet my friends and family over there. So yeah, what are we gonna do over there?
Where? In the town?
In the town.
We get yam. We get yam. It's our last night.
Alright, I think I will see you guys tomorrow.
Yeah.
Hi guys! It is our 5th day in El Nido. Our last day in El Nido as well. Everything is already packed. We're just finalizing everything. We're still gonna be in the Philippines, don't worry. Right, you ready, Bebe? Say goodbye to the room.
Goodbye, Rome.
Goodbye, room. Till next time. Still have my hat.
Bye, Rome.
Bye, room.
2, 3, 1.
Oh, so right now we're just going to, where are we going, Bebe? By the pool, by the beach?
Well, let's go by the pool. If there's seats, we'll stay. If not, then we'll go to the beach.
Yeah, so we'll just chill out here before we leave, and then they're going to drop us off around 3 p.m. to the airport, which is literally right here, so it's fine. So yeah, we're just going to chill here. I'll probably edit some videos so I can upload it right away as well, like what I did last time. So if you guys didn't watch my USA to Philippines vlog, go watch it. I will link it down below. Under the tree.
Morning.
Kuya!
Hello.
Last day.
Ayan,
Ano yung
last
kumangiti
day.
for...
Calamansi mojito.
Ano ba siguro ito?
We got it.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay. How about some
No,
peanuts?
yeah, peanuts. Yeah, thank you. I got my last calamansi mojito for today in El Nido. And you have
Smoothie.
Oh, you have a smoothie. And they also gave us peanuts again. Give me the bawang.
Bawang.
We like the bawang too. I'm going to miss this view. Bye, El Nido! Bye, El Nido! Thank you for the memories! Kakarating lang namin sa Manila. And we are going to get ready right now because I'm going to meet up with my college peeps, my college friends. And this is what the room looks like. We're only staying here for a night. We're leaving tomorrow. And yeah, it's a decent one. And they have bathrobes too, Bebe. This is what the bathroom looks like. They have a shower and that's it. That's about it. Very nice, very cool.